Hello, my name is Mudasser and I'm studying BTech Applied Science. Well, I chose to study science because I want to do pharmacy in university. The most thing I like about my course is the layout and the content of the course, as well as I like my teachers, which are very supportive and they make sure that I engage in the lessons and I progress. I chose Coleg Gwent because I have a friend of mine who has already studied in Coleg Gwent and he has received a good support and education here. So I was very enthusiastic to get enrolled into the course. My plans after college is to go to university to do pharmacy. College prepared me to go into my course knowing what to expect to me in university. Definitely I would recommend Coleg Gwent to other students because I think since I've been to college, because I had little background of education, coming here I had the chance to learn and develop as a person, and I'm very fortunate and appreciative that I have the chance to explore and use the resources that is available in Coleg Gwent.